Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create an logo using canva.com. Canva is absolutely free for video and photo editing software. You can use anywhere. Example of Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. There is no matter because Canva is absolutely free. You can start right now. So at first, go to Fiverr.com, then type logo design. Here there are millions seller. They are earn money from simple create a logo. So I will design luxury logo. I will design minimalist logo. Here is lots of seller here. Example of type here. This one. Oh, really? This person running 6 order in this 1 gig. If you want to make money, to type of logo create. Yes, keep watch this video. I will explain a secret topic how to design this type of logo using canva.com for free. So first go to fiverr.com, then sign up here, then go to canva.com, then type logo design logo. Here the lots of millions free template here. You can use your example of I use this one, then customize the template. Wow, this is a fantastic example of my brand name is mr kalam. Type mr kalam. This is a really good design. Now if I want to this logo sell in fiverr.com, if you want to create an logo for yourself, this is no matter. But if you want to sell in Fiverr, Upwork and other freelance platform, as you wish. So if you are new viewers in the channel, please subscribe my channel